Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use virtual background on Zoom mobile versions. So all you have to do is just tap the setting button. Here, if you do not see the option to set virtual background, you can just join the meeting right now. So you can join new meeting here, and then try to search the apps. This one, you can tap the apps. So in these apps, you can tap again virtual background. Discover the perfect virtual background. Here there are a 4 group here, or you can search manually, or you can just set your blur option in here. So this is nature. You can try to set your virtual background change in this Pexels apps. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the button below. See you in the next video.